here in the Peak District, 120 kilometers. Just about head on to the High Peak Trail, then the Tissington Trail, Manifold Trail, finally finishing at the end of the day on the Monsal Trail. It's going to be a great day. Stick around. It's sure to be a wet one. As you can see, I'm on the Nuke Proof today, the factory digger. Brilliant bike, got loads of confidence riding it, which is just as well because I've taken it some really gnarly, dirty, muddy places. Quite possibly the hardest part of today's ride, up the High Peak Trail. It is a killer. What's that, Chris? A wardrobe malfunction. Hey, you're dropping your gloves as well.
That was here's Ricky sporting a lovely orange and blue DHB top. He's got his cycling shorts on back to front.
So I've got everything is different. What I'm wearing: chapeau, DHB, Atticus, DHB, Karnak.
That coat looks like it's made from, you know, those bras in the catalogues when you were a kid. Looks like it's made from those.
Oh, thank you. I'll take that as a compliment.
Yeah.
What's the expression when people come out on rides like this?
I don't know. It's hardcore, this.
Yeah.
Kinda. It's probably just a little bit below hardcore.
Feeling a bit grim today. Grim, cold, dark north. So just leaving Ashbourne, it feels like it's been hours since I picked the camera up. It's been very wet. So we're just heading to the Manifold Trail. 2 done, 2 more to go. And I think it's dry from now on. Hopefully, I haven't spoke too soon. Everything is coated in mud. Everything. So are you a fan of the Peak District? Which would you say is your favourite trail here? Let me know in the comments down below. Amongst all this grim weather, there is some beautiful scenery. Well, that's the first time I've seen a sign for beware scientists and animals crossing.
Beware what?
Cyclists and animals. Usually you're punched together with children, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Big kids. What do you think of the ride so far then?
It's amazing. I've really enjoyed it.
It has been a bit of I have enjoyed it. It's been a bit grim at times.
It's been a bit wet and cold, and I could have done with something better than a subway, but hey,
maybe the next stop, yeah? So we're just going along the Zambezi River. Was it? No, sorry, Manifold River.
Some lion attacking in a minute.
Well, I don't think I said on camera. The dog attacked me in ease earlier on the first trail out.
Had your foot, didn't it?
Yeah. I never got bit once during the TCR.
Can we just dance? Can we just dance and
more juicy trails and a bit more uneven, which is what I was looking for. Don't want too much smooth stuff on this trip. And in other news, blue sky. Well, there was. I am an advert for the Peak District today. Come to the Peak District, you know you want to. Oh, this is beautiful scenery, this. Even the roads, look at that. Oh, there you go, I told you it was blue sky. Second stop of the day, although probably just quickly get a drink. So Chris has brought his flask with him today. Where's he put his flask? He's just taken it in there. Anyway, it's got a flask somewhere. Maybe I haven't put it down anywhere. But yeah, I think we're going to have a cup of tea in here. The Tea Junction tea room's at Hume End. As you see, sky is looking better. I'd like to say more or less dry. My bum is very wet. Very, very wet. I found some actual gravel. Some actual gravel, Chris. Some actual gravel. Actual. Now this is what I'm talking about. I love how routes like this are part of the National Cycle Network. Like we're all Chris Froome or something.
It's got a mountain bike, yeah.
Bit of elevation right now. Let's see if I can get the view behind. Does it look good? Is my arm in the way? This is a hot tub up here. Well, that was a beast of a climb, but look at the view. So I believe we're joining the High Peak Trail once more as we head north to reach the final trail of the day, the Monsal Trail. As that sun starts to get a bit less low on the horizon. About to get a bit dark. There's a Castleton over there and Bradwell, and a nice gnarly downward track. So wet. Yeah. Walking. Gate number 465. Yeah. Hopefully we're back on the Monsal Trail before it gets too dark. Onto the Monsal Trail. 13k of this down to Bakewell. If you enjoyed watching this one, you haven't subscribed already, now might be the time. Don't forget to like and comment. And that question from earlier, what is your favourite part of the Peak District? Which is your favourite trail? What do you like to come and see? Right, we're going to watch out for invisible people along the trail. See you in the next video.
Lovely, isn't it? Lovely.
Ooh.